His new one is like that. It's a little
Okay, we're gonna go live soon.
So that glass can go
It's
on
good,
there? That's
too.
so cool.
Yeah, it's like a pendulum. I was impressed.
We're all gonna be stars
So
So
tomorrow
it does
morning.
work like a espresso.
Yeah, it heats up the
So
water in
it's
the bottom.
easy
It
to
doesn't
make
even
it
long the
tomorrow.
process. The theory is that the water doesn't touch the coffee until it's at the exact temperature that it starts to evaporate. So it boils, goes up in here, and after it's been in here for a couple of minutes, I turn it off. And as soon as the temperature below gets lower than the one up here, it sucks it all back down. And then you have just coffee.
And that, we
Get
forgot
outta
to
here.
mention who purchased that.
Oh, so you're saying that empties out? It empties out, goes to the top, picks up on the coffee, and goes back down.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you ended up with the one on top after.
That works inside the spring.
So the one in the
Pressure
top
heats up.
becomes the one on the
Heats up,
bottom?
The spring opens.
No, they blend together.
It's a confit
No, the spring doesn't open.
like a potato
Just
potato
That's how the
water.
water comes through. That's heat.
Yeah, it's almost like
This is gonna be the Larry
It's
City.
the spring.
It's a spring to hold it in place. There's a
Okay,
That
so
heats enough.
Yeah, but I'm gonna do it
That
in the
spring will loosen up enough.
Oh yeah, those little ones,
That's
right?
not what it is.
No,
That's how it works.
we're gonna find
Guaranteed.
Dad, Mom, those
So-
little steel
Because it
ones?
doesn't
know
Same
what
thing,
the
right?
water-
When the temperature
So
here
it's
gets
like a-
lower than what's up here.
No, it's when it's empty in the bottom, heats enough.
There's nothing to
that
do with the spring. The
opens.
spring just holds it in place.
Holds the top closed.
Yeah.
Okay, so when it heats up, the pressure opens that little thing
The
that was
valve,
in there.
not the spring.
No,
The
it's paper. It's made of paper. It's
paper.
not paper.
Whatever
It's
it's
a
made of,
fabric.
that's made.
No, I know,
The
but
spring's weighting it down.
the filter itself is made of fabric. The water
I'm
actually
not talking
passes
about
through
the
that.
filter, I'm talking about how the water gets to the top.
But it doesn't need to raise.
Once it builds enough pressure, it'll open up and they'll let it through.
It doesn't. No, it doesn't need to open up though.
How does the water come through the top then?
Because it's made of fabric.
It goes
It
through,
goes
it's like a
through.
It's gotta
filter.
build pressure to go up. Water doesn't go up on its
It's
own.
boiling.
Yeah, it
building
builds
pressure.
pressure. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying. So this spring, it's spring loaded then.
No,
When
it's
it
not.
builds enough pressure.
No, I think Julian's right because the spring it prevents
What's on the top
the.
of the spring?
Yeah, but it is spring
I'll show
loaded.
you.
No, but that's
You
just
have
to hold
put
it.
the spring down.
But that's to hold it tight so that the grinds don't fall through.
It's made of
Yeah, but
like
that's what I'm
a
saying. When it
canvas
gets enough
material.
pressure, it'll let the water come up.
No, the water goes through the fabric.
Oh yeah? Okay, so the fabric, the spring's going in the fabric.
It's made of
Yeah.
it's like a canvas material,
Oh,
and it's pushing the water through that, and then again back down.
This is gonna be a great YouTube video.
Look how quickly it goes
You
up
edit
there.
it though, 'cause there's a lot of.
No, it's straight up. Straight up.
A lot of wasted time.
10 minutes how to make
And
coffee.
it doesn't, the coffee doesn't take
1
so
hour
long,
how to
the
fill the
grains
pot
end
with
up-
water.
What now? It's quicker to make the coffee.
This is the audience.
Look at that.
The audience.
That's pretty quick though.
Yeah.
That's very quick. The water's just disappearing. I thought I had to see it bubble first.
Say hi, Danielle.
That looks like strong coffee.
So now it's just gonna the top ball is gonna become the bottom ball.
No.
Let's see if what he's saying is true. No,
no, it's just got fabric.
it's going
not-
through, yeah, it's going through.
The only problem with
The spring is only used to keep the grinds from falling
No,
down.
to keep the
keep
filter
it
tight.
Filter down.
Keep
Yeah,
it
so
tight.
that the grinds don't fall through.
the only problem is it doesn't suck up 100% of the water.
Yeah, there's always a little bit of water left in the bottom, but it's okay.
So it
mixes with
it
the-
dilutes it.
a little
But
bit,
I
yeah.
think you can't because of the heat. It can't be completely dry at the bottom, right? So you gotta keep a little
Maybe
bit.
No, it's because the tube doesn't touch the bottom.
But it's a good
It
thing
can't.
because the
You're
thing
right.
could have.
Otherwise
Yeah,
the water
right.
will-
Yeah, then it would burn the
It
glass.
would burn the
just
glass.
dry the, yeah, if there wasn't any liquid at all.
See, that's why I married
Turn it
you.
off.
So you wait for the bottom to cool down. Eventually, it sucks it all back down.
So now it's filtering it when it goes down.
Yeah, it's not going down yet.
No,
Different cups.
so when it goes down, it filters. Wow.
So who's everyone?
Interesting.
I want one.
1, 2,
Me.
3. Yeah, did you ask?
No, it's
You?
No.
I'm gonna ask Laura.
How long does it take to clean that thing?
4.5
It's really not worth the trouble.
minutes.
trust me. I like that little pod. Push it back.
It's not worth the trouble.
It's a lot of time. You have to really.
Well, how do you make
How
Canadian
this one
coffee?
is it from?
Yeah,
Canadian
exactly.
coffee, you still have to clean off the grinds.
You have the paper filter and you gotta.
I like this one. This-
You should see my mug. Bend home.
huge. I love
It's like
the
the
dogs.
from Friends. It's like the same cup.
It's awesome.
I have my chai tea.
How long is it?
That looks like
Oh,
your.
now you need to try to
That looks like your cup.
Before it starts coming down.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's more dramatic. Sometimes it's like, and sometimes it's slower.
Why is that?
I have no idea.
Temperature of the
Spring.
room.
Something like this. No idea.
Spring
No, for real,
loaded.
it's the temperature of the room. How fast it cools down.
And who's watching? Depends who's watching.
Is the burner still on?
No.
Oh. So that's it.
That's what I understand.
Cooling
It's
down.
not there.
No,
That's
it's
the
not it.
water through that
It has to go down.
paper. Why won't it
The
come
water
back
at the
down?
bottom has
'Cause it's
temperature at the bottom
pressurized.
has to be cool.
Yeah, but see,
it
like,
only goes up when it's pressurized.
The heat,
right?
because the heat.
And right now there's a seal, so there's a vacuum in there. The air can't get out, so the water's not going to go back down.
So when it cools off in the bottom,
Yeah,
it
then it
falls-
sucks it back down.
yeah, but you see, that's silly, as far as I'm concerned.
Why is
Because
it on here?
a regular coffee maker maintains the heat in the coffee throughout the whole time. So when you drink the cup of coffee, it's as like fresh out of the oven kind of thing. This, it's already cooling down.
It's not. It's going to be hot.
Do you know
The
when
coffee
they
doesn't
serve
cool down.
coffee in
This
It's not
cools
Well,
down.
right now there's no more heat source, so the coffee
it's
is
hot 'cause it boils.
it's starting to cool
Oh,
down.
look.
Whoa,
Oh.
Looks like a science experiment.
It is.
we're all gonna get high after.
When they serve cappuccinos in Italy, you know, they're not hot.
Yeah,
No,
it's
they're
good.
not. They're always room temperature.
Yeah.
You're right. Yeah. It's the bad cappuccinos that are burning hot when they burn the milk.
But I hate hot milk like that.
Oh, I
That's
know, because they ruined it when it's burnt like that.
Sarcastic coffee sandwich.
And then I'm gonna get everybody. I'm gonna film everybody taking a sip.
We're gonna go.
Your thumbs up.
How long can the iPhone record?
Mike, you could be the one that takes a sip. And goes,
The spit take.
This for us.
It would have been good. Next year. Next year, 5-pound turkey to start with.
How many pounds was this one?
22, it didn't even fit.
5-pound turkey is called the
it's
chicken.
enough to feed a small country in
Hard
Africa.
typing it in there.
22
Yeah.
pounds. Did we have a lot left
I
over?
told you, right? We were expecting 7 more people. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gone.
7 more people.
Yeah, Sandra
Sandra
and the
kids,
kids
and
and Louis.
Louis.
6.
And Emmanuel.
7.
Oh.
That's right. That's 7.
Right. And one.
And Juan.
8.
No, Juan wasn't going to come.
Wow.
You gotta add one more.
One more.
So there was a lot left over?
Not really.
Not too
You
much
think
turkey.
Oh
about
no,
it.
your mom took some, right? You took some? And I don't know.
Patricia got a couple of legs.
Yeah.
That's it.